Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kai Academy and today I'm going to talk about how to close your Instagram account. If you're tired of using Instagram or spend a lot of time and want to close, delete or temporarily freeze your account, you can follow the steps here. There are some processes of deleting and closing Instagram accounts. When you no longer want to keep your Instagram account, you can permanently delete or close it at any time. And deleting your Instagram account will permanently delete all photos, videos, friends, and comments on the account. And the only requirement to delete your Instagram account is that you have access to the account, and the Instagram customer service will not delete the account for you. You can close your Instagram account only when using your computer's web browser. At first, sign into your Instagram account and then click your username in the top right corner of the Instagram website. I'll just show you from there. Just here, just look at the top of the screen and you can just see your profile, tap your profile, and here click settings and just look at the end of the screen. And here you can see temporarily disable my account and tap this one. And here you'll just see two parts here. At first they're just asking why you are disabling your account, so you need to select one of the reasons. And then to continue, you need to re-enter your password here, and when you finish all these things, you at the end of the screen, just at the bottom of the screen, you can just see temporarily disable account, and when you tap this one, you'll just disable your account this way. That's really easy. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a great day.